girls, I want to give you a little masterclass on knitting this sweater. I knitted it from the bottom up on circular needles. I cast on a certain number of stitches, knitted the ribbing, then moved on to the main pattern. I really like the pattern. The jumper is seamless. Here I finished knitting up to the armhole. Then I moved on to knitting the back separately, divided the stitches in half, and started knitting the back separately, then the front separately. When I finished knitting the front and back, I joined the seams in the usual way, picked up the stitches for the neckline and knitted the neckline. Then I picked up the stitches at the armholes and started knitting the sleeve. Here, as you can see, no difficulties at all. Now I want to show you how to knit this gorgeous pattern. I liked it very much. The pattern repeat consists of 8 stitches. In height, 16 rows, cast on knit. 16 stitches plus 2 edge stitches, so 2 repeats, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We start knitting one by one, ribbing, simple ribbing. I always knit the first edge stitch in the first row at the beginning of knitting, so 1 knit stitch, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, knit, purl. I hope you know how to knit the 1 by 1 rib. And the edge stitch we also knit as purl. Oh, we knit 1 more row of ribbing. 1. Now we begin to knit the repeat of our pattern. Row 1, remove the edge stitch. Knit 7 knit stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One purl. We have completed the first repeat of our pattern. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7 purl and edge stitch. Turn on in even rows, in wrong side even rows. We all will knit following the pattern. Slip the edge stitch, knit 1, 7 purls, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 knit stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, everyone, purl. The third row of our pattern, our repeat, is knitted as follows. The first stitch is a purl, then 5 knit stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purl, 1 knit. We have completed the first repeat. Repeat the pattern. 1 purl, 5 knit, 1, 2, 3. Three, 4, 5. 1 purl, 1 knit. And the edge stitch, we knit the purl row according to the pattern. 1 purl, 1 knit, 5 purls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 knit. Knit the second repeat. 1 purl, 1 knit, 5 purls. One knit stitch, edge stitch. Fifth row of our repeat. 1 knit, 1 purl, 3 knit, 1, 2. Three, 1 purl, 2 knit. Knit the next pattern, repeat. 1 knit, 1 purl, 3 knits. One purl, 2 knit. And the edge stitch. Or on the wrong seed, knit according to the pattern to purl. Knit 3 purl stitches. Knit stitch. 3 purl, 1 knit, 3 purl. Knit 1 purl 1, the 7th row of our pattern, 2 knit stitches. Purl, knit, purl, and 3 knit stitches. The repeat is finished. Next, 2 knit stitches, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, and 3 knits. 1, 2, 3. The purl row is knitted following the pattern. Move to the 9th row. Knit 3 knit stitches. Purl 4 knit stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat complete. Continue knitting. Second repeat, 3 knit stitches. One purl, 4 knit stitches. And by the drawing, we knit the 11th row of our pattern. Slip the edge stitch, 2 knit stitches, 1 purl stitch, 1 knit stitch, 1 purl stitch, and 3 knit stitches. We finish this repeat. We knit the second repeat, 2 knit stitches, 1 purl stitch, 1 knit stitch, 1 purl stitch, 3 knit stitches, and the edge stitch. Remember that the even rows are purled as per the pattern. Moving on to row 13. Slip the edge stitch, knit, purl 3, knit 1, 2. Three, 1 purl, 2 knit. We've completed the repeat. Knit the next repeat, 1 knit, 1 purl, 3 knit. One purl, 2 knit, and the edge stitch. Moving to the 15th row. Remove the edge stitch, purl, 5 knit stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Five, 1 purl, 1 knit. The repeat is finished. We repeat, purl 5 knits. One purl, 1 knit, and an edge stitch. Knit according to the pattern, purl, knit 6, 5 purls. Knit stitch, purl stitch, knit stitch, 5 purl stitches. Knit an edge. We have completed the pattern repeat in width and height. As you can see, it turns out like this. Then, everything repeats from the first row. I hope you understand how to knit this. And I wish you easy knitting and good luck. Bye bye.